Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have a beauty subscription box. I received the Macy's beauty box in the mail yesterday, and so I'm going to open it up. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's get started. Okay friends, I just opened it. We've got our little pink tissue paper wrapped up with, that's everything that came in this box. This box is a $15 subscription monthly. They give you usually 5 to 6 items, and in the beauty department, you can get anything from fragrances to lotions to skincare, a little bit of makeup. So anyway, they're all sample sizes, but it's nice to have things to try. Some of them are decent sizes, some of them are just really tiny. But anyway, they also always give you a $5 off coupon. So if you see something you like and you want to buy it, then you've got $5 off, which is kind of a great deal. So anyway, there's that. So let's open it up. I have no idea what's in here, so I'll be like surprised with you guys. And let's see. Okay, looks like this is what we've got here. I have no idea what all the items are, but let's get to it here. Okay, so yes. Okay, I did pull it up. I pulled up Macy's on my computer so I can tell you a little bit about the products. The first thing I'm pulling up here is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a brow definer. I do have this. Anastasia's kind of known for her brow products. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills products to begin with, so this is not a bad thing. It's for a brow. Let's see here. Okay, this one's different than one I've had. So this one just pulls up here from the end. They're starting to make these now. They're getting smart. They're making them shaped like this so that you can just, you know, swipe it across your eyebrow. And so anyway, I'm actually excited about that. I like the size. I know I like the product. And then they just have a brush on the other side. So anyway, this would be great for travel because it's just small, compact. So I like that. So that's our first item. Not a bad thing. Happy about that. Let's see. The regular item. Let's see. I think it's $25 for the full size. So, and I'm thinking this is not full size. So anyway, there's that. So the next thing I'm pulling up here is from Beauty Stat. This is the Universal C Skin Refiner. It's got 20% vitamin C brightening serum in it. I love vitamin C brightener serums. It's kind of essential for me. I like to wear them every day. So this one, it's small, but it has a decent amount. I mean, there'll be several uses for this. So anyway, there's that. And I'm wondering if I've used this one before. I'm not sure. But this one has it's valued at $85 for the full size. So it's obviously a good product. So there's that. So the next thing I'm pulling up here is something in here. Not sure what it is. I think it's from Nude Sticks, and it looks like it would be a sample size, not a full size. Let's see what this is. Okay, is this what this is? What is this? Nudes Matte Luxe All Over Face Brush Color. So it's just a round, I don't know. It's not really going on my skin very well. First of all, the color doesn't excite me. You can't really see it on my hand. It just kind of blends in. So I don't know. It feels, it's not, it's chalky. It's like a powder. So I'm not, it says all over face blush color. Anyway, so I'm believing that's what that is. It doesn't say anywhere on here that it's the nude stick, but I don't know what else it would be. Let's see, is this the nude stick? Let me see, maybe this is the nude stick and that, I don't know what that is. Yeah, this is the nude stick, sorry. Okay, so the nude sticks is valued at $35 for a full. This one is, I believe, it's a watermelon coral color. And this is, there you go. Now that's the all over blush. I like it. I like the feel of it. It's very, gosh, I can't explain the consistency. It's not like really, I don't know. It feels like if you put it in, it's going to stay for a while. So anyway, there's that. Anyway, that'll be good for some uses. So anyway, I do actually like this product. So back to this one. I don't know what this is. I'll see if I can figure it out. But anyway, so the next thing I have in here is from Clarins, and this is, let's see. This is One Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. This is, gosh, it's expensive. It's $39 for 3.9 ounces. Of course, this is just a little small, I don't know, probably 30 milliliter or something. Let me see here. This is 0.1 ounces. So very small cleanser, might give you a couple of cleans. So anyway, but that's kind of a bougie cleanser for $39 for only 3 ounces. So anyway, there's that. That's the fourth thing. And then the fifth thing is from Peter Thomas Roth. It's Instant Fur MX No Filter Primer. So this is a primer. It's valued at $42 for 1 ounce. So it's also inexpensive. The thing about the Macy's Beauty Box is you do get really expensive products. You're just getting little sample sizes of them. But it's always nice to try bougie products. This one, yeah, it is sealed. But anyway, so it's a primer. Useful, travel, good, whatever. So there's that. Now, I don't see this product on here. I have no idea what this product is, you guys. I wish I knew. It doesn't say. So, I'm thinking they always give a bonus. I'm thinking it might be the bonus, but I have no idea what it is. I'm not super impressed, to be honest with you. So I don't know what it does. So, I mean, I don't know. Anyway, so there's our bonus product. So then we got the primer. We've got the beautiful blush here, the nude sticks. We've got the Clarins face wash. We've got the Beauty Stat. This is the vitamin C. And then also the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. I'm happy with all these products. I know for sure. Actually, I will definitely use the blush. I will definitely use the brow pencil. I'm super happy about the vitamin C and plus the primer. I mean, all of these I think are products I would and could use. So sometimes samples I'll give out gifts in the little Ipsy bags, and sometimes I'll put these sample sizes in there as gifting too. But anyway, so there's that. That's the Macy box for this is October. So my first beauty box, it's always the first one I get. Usually it comes right around the first of the month. Sometimes I've gotten it before the month. So anyway, happy? What do you guys think? Do you get the Macy's Beauty Box? Was this a month you liked? I like it when I get, makeup products in here, not just all. I like when there's a good mix. And that's what they usually do. They have a good mix. I'm surprised there's not a fragrance in here because a lot of times they'll throw a fragrance in. But anyway, so that's it for the Macy's Beauty Box. Let me know what you think in the comments. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel if you wish. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.